Before we get started with the Java training, we need to install some softwares. So in this video, we are going to install the softwares required for the Mac OS. So what do we really need in order to get started? So to begin our Java development, the first thing that we need is the JDK. Now the JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. So it is basically a complete kit for the Java development. And it basically provides the software development environment for developing the Java applications. Now, in order to use this JDK, we need some platform where we can write our Java code. So for that, in this course, we are going to use the intellij IDE. Now, what do we mean by intellij IDE? It is basically the integrated development environment for creating the softwares that uses the JDK. Now this JDK is the same JDK that we discussed here. So the intellij IDE simply uses the JDK in order to create the Java application. So one by one, let us install these two softwares. So first, we are going to install the JDK in our system. So here again, let us navigate to google.com. Let us search Java JDK for Mac OS. And there we go, the first link that you will get will be from the oracle.com. Let us open this link. And then you will be navigated to this link. If you are unable to land on this page, then you can get this link inside the helper text present just below the video. So make sure you get to this page with the help of this link, which is present for your reference just below the video. So here we are about to download the Java SE. Now the SE stands for the standard edition of Java. So we are only concerned for the standard edition. So let us click on this icon and down. And now here I have downloaded this file. Let us open this Java file. And then click on this icon. Click on continue and then install. It will ask you for the password due to security issues. So enter the password of your lock screen. So enter that password that you actually enter while accessing your MacBook that comes in the lock screen. And then click on close. And now, in order to verify that Java has been perfectly installed in your Mac OS, so for that purpose, you need to open the terminal. So simply press Command space and then type terminal. And now here, simply type Java C. Hit enter. And there we go, we have got bunch of output. Now, let us type the Java C space minus version. Hit enter. And now there we go, this is the current Java SDK that will be used to compile any Java program. Now that we have installed the JDK in our previous video, let us now proceed and install the intellij IDE in our system. Now again navigate to the google.com and type intellij IDE for Mac. And then the very first link that you will get will be from the jetbrains.com. Click on this link and you will be then navigated to this page. Now again, if you are unable to navigate to this page, then you will get this link in the helper text just below the video. So make sure you copy this link and browse it and then land on this page. And since I am using Mac, so let us select Mac OS. And then down the side, you will find two editions, the Ultimate Edition and the Community Edition, which is meant for the Java development and also the Android development. And whatever we are going to learn in this course can be easily accomplished with the help of Community version, which is the free version. So let us download it. And our download will start shortly. So after we have downloaded the file, you will get this DMG file. Let us continue with the installation procedure from the next video. So after we have downloaded the file, you will get this DMG file. Let us open it. And we are going to install this application like we installed any other application in our Mac. So our first step will be to drag and drop this file into the applications folder. So after this, let us open this application folder within which you will find the IntelliJ IDE that should be present in the alphabetical order. So here is our IntelliJ IDE. Let us open it. And then you will get this prompt. So here let us select do not import any settings. Click on OK. And then I will select the default theme of the IntelliJ IDE. Click on next. Let it be the default one. Click on next. And then again click on next. Next again. And then start using the IntelliJ IDE. So here it will start our IDE. And this is our welcome screen of our IDE. Now initially I would like you to do some settings. So here within the configure, navigate to the project default. Here you will find the project structure. Open it. And now within the SDK you will find the blank space. So here let us add our SDK. Now the SDK stands for the Software Development Kit, which in our case is actually the Java Development Kit JDK that we installed in the previous video. So here let us open it. And now here from the drop down let us select the Macintosh HD. You will find library, where down the side you will find the Java folder and then Java virtual machine, and here we go, we have the Java JDK folder. Let us navigate to contents, home, and then click on open. And there we go, the IntelliJ IDE will find all the class path and it will mention in front of you. So we don't have to worry about any of these things present here. And now our next step will be click on apply and then OK. And now again go to configure and here you will find the preferences. Click on this preferences. The first thing that I want you to do is within the appearance and behavior menu you will find the system settings. Click on it and there you will find this option reopen last project on startup. So make sure you have unchecked this option. And then our next step will be inside the editor. So here inside the editor menu, navigate to general, expand it, you will find the appearance menu item. And there make sure this show line numbers is actually checked. And now down the side let us navigate to font. And let us change the size from 12 to 17 and again line spacing from 1.0 to 1.1 and then click on apply. And now down the side within the code style simply expand it. And here you will find Java. Now inside the Java make sure this use tab character is actually checked along with the smart tabs. Now all these initial settings will help us while we code inside the IntelliJ IDE. So as of now these are the initial settings. Click on apply and then OK. Now that we have installed the Java JDK and also the IntelliJ IDE with the required settings, we can now move ahead with our first Java application. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to create a very basic Java application inside our IntelliJ IDE. And I am totally excited for my first Java application. Are you?